Hey beauties, my name is Chanel and today I'll be showing you guys up on this gorgeous one that I got on today. Today I'll also be showing you guys how I go ahead and slay this baddie and apply it on my head. So it's kind of gonna be like a monkey see, monkey do type video. I know a lot of my babes love this type of video. I hope you guys enjoy it and get a little something out of it and kind of see exactly what I do like up until recently, how I go ahead and apply my wigs. So if you'd like to know how I apply this one and a little bit more specs and details about it, then go ahead and keep on watching. So as you guys are watching me style this, I just wanted to go ahead and intrude just a little bit and tell you guys a few details on this baddie. As you guys can tell already, this one is by Alipearl and this beauty is in the color Chestnut. I got it in the length 28 inches and the density is 200. So yeah, that explains all the fullness that you are experiencing right now. This wig is a lace front wig. It does have two clips on the side, a clip on the back along with adjustable strap. I believe this one is definitely big head friendly for my girls out there with a big head, so you should have no worries here. And for my girls that love a little good pony, this wig can definitely do a pony as well, even though if it is a lace front hair. And if you haven't caught on already, this one is actually human hair. That is all for details for now, so just keep on watching and seeing how to slay this one effortlessly. Alright beauties, so this is exactly how I styled this one. It was super easy to go ahead and style, especially because of the color. You don't have to worry about the part so much because they kind of have already a part. I did go ahead and added just a little bit concealer to just pop out the part just a little bit, but it's really not necessary. It's a super easy wig to style. I did try to be a little crazy with the baby hairs, not crazy, but go ahead and style the baby hairs a little bit more than I did here, but honestly this is how I can see it only working because the baby hairs don't really quite show with this type of hair color. So it's not really necessary that you go ahead and add some baby hairs if you don't want to. You don't have to like I did, but I definitely added it just because I just wanted to add a little excess, you know, just be a little extra. But however, you don't really have to add it the way I see it because it does blend in with the hair line already anyways. But if you ask me, Alipearl hair did amazing on this one. It took me like, I want to say about a month and some change to review this one because I wasn't much of a fan, not only because of color, because you guys know I'm a plain Jane type of gal, but also because I was just not too quite sure about how this hair took the color, and if it actually took the color well, did it actually make the hair texture not well. And the thing is with these type of colors, it's really a hit or miss. You can either fry the hair, or the hair can turn out to still be luscious and perfect as if it wasn't bleached or dyed or anything like that. However, this one, it held up its texture and quality still great. As you guys can see in the video, it's super easy for me to style. The hair flowed well. It was not stiff at one given point at all. And I want to say, like, as far as like me reapplying my BioSilk and stuff throughout the days or the weeks, I really don't hardly ever do that. And the BioSilk is supposed to add some more moisture because this hair already have moisture alone. So having to say that this hair has so much moisture, even along with the color it is as of right now, is absolutely great. And as you guys can see, it just flows wherever I go, wherever I move, it moves with me. And I love a hair that does that, and that's a really, really good sign. Alipearl hair can never fail me. Yeah, they always do really, really great with their quality, and I absolutely love their quality. So this one is definitely a go for me. 10 out of 10, you guys. Let me know down below in the comment section if you would rock her this color or possibly want a lighter color. Let me know on your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And like always, you guys, till next time. Later.